This is step 5, wherein we're going to see how to make the brain smarter. In GenAI, the brains are made smarter with RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Remember this term? There are a lot of things for RAG, but since this is a very basic video, we'll just look at the top level. What is the concept? Just to understand the terms. So, in previous videos, we have seen that in GenAI, we have different types of brains for large language model. But the issue with this brains are it forgets after training. But because of RAG lets them search the web or a document before answering. Suppose if we are giving a prompt to ChatGPT or whichever brain of GenAI, who won IPL in 2025? The RAG would make the model look it up first and then reply because the models are not trained up to date data and training is very costly for every new data. So it searches the web for the latest documents for the latest answer. Browse with Bing is basically using RAG. One quick example for RAG is suppose that the company is launched in Jan 2025 and we are asking something about leave policies or HR policies which are to be private to the company. Obviously, ChatGPT would not be able to answer these questions. In such a case, RAG is trained on this private data and specifically for those queries which are to be for that particular company or the particular context, ChatGPT can provide the answers on based on that.